Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about knit surface. I am going to show you how to apply knit surface for planar surface, extruded surface and lofted surface. So this is the planar surface. So I am going to show you how to knit these two surfaces. So I am going to show you how to create knit feature with extruded surface. Also I am going to show you how to create knit feature for lofted surface, and I am going to show you how other parameters of the knit feature. So let's start now. So I am going to explain about knit surface for planar surface. So I am in the sketcher mode. I have created a simple circular feature. Select the sketch and create planar surface. Select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal. Create two lines and give distance of 0.01 and say OK. Now go to surface module, go to trim feature. So here it automatically takes the sketch since I am in the sketcher mode. Now keep selection. So select these two outer surfaces. So this inner surface is going to remove. Say OK. So now I am going to show you how to knit this surface. I am going to knit this surface. Select these two surfaces. Say OK. See here, these two surfaces has become one surfaces, but difference is it is having two faces. So to avoid this problem and confusion, we have one more option in knit surface, that is merge surface. See, now here we can see there is a single surface, and if I uncheck this, you will have a single surface. That means it is merged, but it is having two faces. This is about how to knit planar surface. Now I am going to explain about knit surface for extruded surface. So I am in the sketcher mode. So I have created a simple sketch. Now select this sketch, go to surface module, select extruded surface. Giving 50. Now select the front plane, create a simple line. and create one extruded surface. See here, select this surface and go to offset surface and create one more surface in other direction and give it 30 mm. Now trim this surface. So this offset surface has been selected. Now surfaces to keep. So keep this surface. Say OK. Similarly, go to trim surface, select the other flat surface, and surfaces to keep, select this. Now once again go to trim surface, select a trim tool as this surface, and we have to go for removal selection and select this and this face. Say OK. Now these three are three different surfaces we can see here. Now if I want to apply fillets, it won't select because these are three different surfaces. We need to make it as a single surface. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go for knit surface. Select these three surfaces and say OK. So it has been created. Now I can add fillets. See here. Now I want to add thickness to this surface. So I am taking 1 mm. See here, if I see the cross section, see it is hollow feature with 1 mm thickness. Suppose if I want to make this as solid, so in the same thicken option, I have one more additional option, that is create solid from the enclosure volume. Now if I see the cross section, it is solid. So once all the features are created, we can knit surface. If it is a open surface, it will create with thickness. If it is completely closed, it forms a solid. Now suppose this fillet is not required. Then after knitting this surface, all the three surfaces, I can go for create solid. So here it automatically creates a solid blocks. So we can make surface to solid with two options. One is knit surface, other is thicken option. So this is about extruded surface. Now I am going to explain about knit surface for lofted surface. See here I have created 3 sketches in different planes. So you can take any 3 cross sections. So we have to go to surface and create a loft surface. So since I am going to explain about knit surface, I am creating two different loft surfaces. So I have selected this sketch from here and go to loft surface and select the other sketch. So it automatically creates. Now you can see there are two surfaces. So I want to make this as a single surface. Say OK. Now we can add thickness to this feature. I have taken 1 mm. Since it is an open low, it has taken as a shell feature. Now select the planar surface, select these edges. So it is closed in one direction. Once again select the surface, planar surface, select all the outer edges. Should be very much careful while selecting. Say OK. So now go to knit surface, select all the surfaces. Now when you see the cross section, it's like a shell, but it's a zero thickness. So you can see. In this case, what we have to do is select Thicken option and I have taken 1 mm thickness. So it is a shell with 1 mm thickness. Now if I want to make solid, I can check this option, create solid from the enclosed volume. Say OK. See, it is a solid. So as I told you earlier, we have one more option with knit surface, that is create solid. We can use this option. So this is brief about knit surface. Thank you very much.